welcome back to our channel collegemunchi.com. Today in this video we are going to talk about Rama University. Thinking about joining a private university but worried about the high fees what we are paying for them? Are they worthful or not? Let's talk about Rama University. A university which doesn't charge too much from the students and give you an excellent education. Many universities today just demand the high fees. But they really value your money? No, right? Now let's see what Rama University says us. Education should be an investment, but not an expense. Rama University provides us modern classrooms, industrial relevant courses and expert faculty to give a bright future for the students with a low cost when compared with other institutions. Third-tier education at an affordable fee structure, industrial focused curriculum design to meet the global trends, and have an expert teachers, faculties with a real-world experience. And the best part is, Rama Institutes also provide you scholarships for the merit students or need financial assistance. So you're worried about affordability? Rama University has covered you. And the biggest concern of every student is about the job placements. End of the day, whatever we do, we need a job in our hand. And here is the good news. Rama University maintain its placement record 80 to 90% every year. And they have a top recruiters like Infosys, TCS, Wipro, Bosch, Accenture and many other companies. And their highest package is 25 lakhs per annum. So we do not bother about the placement in Rama University because they have a best placement cell in that university. So whether you are admitting for a high paying job or a solid career, Rama is the best place for your successful career. But wait, getting a good job isn't just because of your good score. You need a real-time experience. That's where Rama stands for you. Strong industrial collaborations to provide an hand-on training. Globally exchange programs for the students abroad. And they also provide you the assistance for the internships with the leading companies. If you're in engineering, healthcare, management or any other department, they'll provide you a real-time experience and assistance for a project. That means by the time you get graduate, you'll not only have your degree certificate in your hand, you'll have an additional skills in your hand which helps you to get an immediate job opportunities. College life is not just about studying. It's all about the experiences. They have a vibrant college clubs and cultural events are conducted the vast. They have many cultural fests like Tech Fest, Annual Fest, sports and many other cultural activities. Modern campus with smart classrooms, research labs and digital libraries and many other amenities. And comfortable hostels for the students all over India. And let's not forget the biggest favor of Rama Institute. It's located in Bangalore, which is known as Tech and Education Hub of India. This means more career opportunities, network and exposure to the top companies. If you're looking for a balanced quality education and a student life with an industrial exposure and all, Rama is the best place for you all. Affordable at high quality education, strong placement committee, and it has an international connects which helps your student to have a best career and can enjoy the best campus life in Bangalore. So before wasting your money in overpriced universities, you just think once and invest your money. Rama University, because here you're just not getting your degree, you're getting your wonderful and secure future into your hand. So you have any doubts, just comment us in the below. For the admission sake, you can contact us. And the admissions are open for many UG and PG courses. For any admissions and queries, you can contact us. Pre-bookings are available.